In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your GeForce Now password. It's important to know right from the beginning that resetting your GeForce Now password is done through your NVIDIA account, since that's the login system connected to the service. So if you're unable to sign in, forgot your password, or just want to update it for security reasons, this is the process you'll follow. First, go to the NVIDIA login page. This is the page where you normally sign into your account. Once you're there, look for the Forgot Password option and click it. This will take you to the password recovery process. Next, enter the email address connected to your NVIDIA account. Make sure you type the correct email address since the password reset link will be sent there. After entering it, click Submit to continue. Now head over to your email inbox and look for a message from NVIDIA. Depending on your email provider, it may take a few minutes to arrive, so if you don't see it right away, give it a moment and refresh your inbox. It's also a good idea to check your spam, junk, or promotions folders in case the message was filtered there. Once the email arrives, open it and click the Reset Password link inside. That link will take you to a secure page where you can create a brand new password for your NVIDIA account. When creating your new password, choose something strong and memorable. A good password usually includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and it should be something you don't reuse on other accounts. After entering the new password, type it again to confirm it and make sure there are no typing mistakes. Then click the Save or Reset Password button to finalize the change. Once that's done, your new password should be active right away. Finally, go back to GeForce Now and sign in using your updated password. Since your GeForce Now access is tied to your NVIDIA account, the new password should now work there as well. If the reset link has expired or doesn't work, simply return to the NVIDIA login page and repeat the process to request a new one. And if you're still having trouble signing in after resetting your password, double check that you're using the correct email address associated with your account. That's all it takes to reset your GeForce Now password through NVIDIA and get back into your account.